Hi everyone, this week's review is of the Saab 93 Viggen by DNA Collectibles. This just came out. If you remember, I actually reviewed the convertible, which was one of DNA's first releases, if not the first release. But I, of course, have a personal attachment to this car because I actually had a Viggen in this color. I got it around 2005, sold it around 2009. So, this is in 1999. It's the first year of the Viggen. They pretty much exclusively came in this lightning blue color. There were a few yellow ones at what was called the Viggen Flight Academy, which was their driving school, specific to the Saab Viggen. And you can always tell a Flight Academy car because, from memory, they didn't have sunroofs to keep the center of gravity a little better. But a few blue three-door coupes did trickle into the year 2000. I've seen them. We really don't know how many, but there were supposed to be 400 lightning blue coupes like this, but it really winds up being like 420 or something like that if you count some of the other cars that trickled in. One of the nicest details is the open mesh on the lower air dam, which shows the intercooler. Most resin manufacturers do not bother showing anything mechanical like an intercooler behind the grill, so that's really nice. I wish the front grill was open, but what can you do? The scale wiper is a really nice touch. In real life, the black trim isn't really black. It's really like a charcoal gray and has a slight texture to it. It's probably almost impossible to show that in scale. So this is a little smoother and a little more black than real life. And this shows European E-code headlights. The North American cars had orange there. Overall, this is really good. Obviously, no one else does this subject matter. The paint is great. The little metal door lock. The key lock right there is really neat. Interior is great. My one ding of the interior, which will be hard to make out, is there's no pillars in the interior. There's no nothing molded in. They probably just want to reuse as much of the convertible interior as possible, but it's just, again, it's hard to make out. These had, a 2.3 liter turbo 4 called the B235R. Rated at 225 horsepower the first year. I think 252 pound-feet of torque. Not that you could see it. This is obviously resin and enclosed. Just giving you a little bit of background. This is car number 306 out of 500. And unlike the convertible, this is made in 3 different colors. Made in yellow, which is my second favorite Viggen color, and made in black. Really, really neat piece. The two-tone interior, again, great. Much this, obviously, they were able to reuse from the convertible. Packaging is the updated DNA packaging. The convertible came in the fully enclosed box in the microfiber satchel. This I kind of preferred. It's less bulky and displays nice and cleanly. Very happy with it. Retails like $175 or so. I invested $100 to get the convertible and sold the convertible to buy this, so I have $100 into it, so obviously at that price I'm not mad at it. I wish DNA cost as much as Auto and GT Spirit of under $100, but it is a superior product, so you get what you pay for. So that's it for this week. I've got some big changes to the collection coming through in the coming weeks that you might want to tune in for. Redoing some cabinets, spacing everything out differently, dusting to stop all the complaints about the dust, so keep an eye out for that. Everyone have a good one. Please like and subscribe.